Hi, Mark here, trust you're well. As most of our attendees to our Lightroom community will be aware, my day role is an audio and visual practitioner, practice-led researcher to support my candidacy for a PhD in photography. I'm on one of my journeys today, but I still support our Lightroom community. I'm fortunate that laptop, mobile phone connection, I can still do those one-to-one Zooms and answer those questions wherever I am, where my practice takes me. And today on this journey, I'm exploring the new functionality of 15.4, specifically the duplicate finder. Why? Well, in my work catalogue, I have over 500,000 images. A lot of them are keepers, and I'm trying to work out a workflow where I'm 100% confident that when I use the duplicate remove functionality, I know those images will not be removed, whether they are the original or a duplicate. I do not want them removed. So I'm nearly there. I'm 95% sure that now I'm testing out the methodology, the workflow of how Classic works with this workflow, that I am confident that those images, the best of the best of the best, the ones that I've got two backups locally, I've got a backup on a NAS, I've got them in 2 or 3 cloud services, I've got the legacy ones on a DVD, that I do not lose them. It's unconditional, it's my life's work. So with that in mind, I'm hosting a live workshop where I'm going to show my workflow and explore the methodology of using the duplicate finder that Lightroom has, or Adobe has released, the pixel-based tool that also looks at the EXIF data, and how I'm going to use that in confidently removing my duplicates. So if you'd like to come and join us, it's on Tuesday the 14th of July 2026. Just visit lightroom.co.uk/260714. Link will be in the description. Register for the event, and I'll share with you, and we can have a conversation about the duplicate finder that has just been released in 15.4. I look forward to welcoming you. Happy editing.